how to use points on Marriott Bonvoy app. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can use points on Marriott Bonvoy app. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So you can use your points or awards for free nights at any hotel or resort participating in Marriott Bonvoy, including their extraordinary portfolio of 30 brands worldwide. You can use points for extras like dining, golf, spa, and things like that during your stay. You can also use points for Marriott Bonvoy moments like exclusive access to once in a lifetime experiences. And gift cards from brands like Target, the Home Depot, and Uber. You can use them to shop for products from your favorite hotel brands. You can also use them in cruises by booking through cruise with points or an instant redemption award credits which can reduce your room charges during your stay. So that's how you can use points on Marriott Bonvoy app. That's all for this video.